Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time watching one of my videos. Hi, my name is James, and as you can tell already by the title of this video, I'm swapping rooms with my mum. This was not my idea, this is actually mum's idea, because my original room was at the front of the house and like it looked out onto like the ocean, and like, you know, mum was wanting to change the scenery, so she decided to move down there and I moved up here, and I gladly done it because now I get a new project that I get to do. And yes, this wallpaper behind me will be going ASAP. I've already started peeling it beside the door because it's just not my style at all. And guys, I have so much plans for this space. It's like so much, like, and I've already started designing it and like redoing it because I already have the desk and everything ordered, and I know I picked up my light and paint colors, all that's done. So room transformation will be coming soon in the next month, in about like maybe 4 weeks, give it 4 weeks. Don't hold me to that though. But yes guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you the process of me and mum swapping rooms. And it was a process, it took us a day, so I mean it didn't take us too long because we're very fast workers, so we got it done. We didn't swap over the beds. I kept my own mattress, mum kept her own mattress, so, and my own duvets and stuff like that, I kept that myself. So I'll kind of show you then what the room looks like with all my stuff in it, but first let's get into the time lapse of everything getting done. I actually have to throw these out because all these type of cleansers make me like break out really bad, so that's why I'm trying them out. So you see, I think I'm wasting stuff. I'm not. It's because they actually like make my skin like really react like really horribly. So. Okay, so anyway, what's going to be my bathroom now, and there's like a little shelf here, so I'm going to put like all my kind of every products I use up here, which I think is probably the best idea to do. So obviously my toner and moisturizer is going to be here because I use them like every day. So let me see if we can put this. Let me see if it's on backwards. It's fine. I'm going to put them there, you know. Then also what I use every day is deodorant. So put that there. And aftershave. Put that there. And also my body lotion. Put that there. Okay. Oh, just give me a punch now. Don't land on my feet. So we're back in the room now, and as you can see it's kind of like dark out because it's kind of evening time, come 9 o'clock when I'm filming this, you know, I'm busy. So basically I'm in this room now. We have my bed behind me, so I have all my old pillows and everything. They'll be going up, getting new cushions. I'm not sure about the lamps yet. I might get new lamps, depends on how far I can stretch this budget. This will be going. I have my light picked out for this. Oh my god, it's beautiful. Like, it's beautiful. I'm gonna have to put my deposit in on it soon so it doesn't like get like taken out of stock. But I have mum's TV. Mum still has my TV down there because, you know, it was too, we couldn't go on stream and stuff. Like, it was it was just us two doing it. Like, I mean, give us a break. I have a desk over here, you know, my like computer on it, but like I have my new desk ordered from Rabbit's Furniture. It's beautiful, kind of mid-century industrial kind of desk dresser. Beautiful, like it's gonna be going over beside my window, and yeah, it's gonna look good. New curtains, everything's gonna be new, brand new, and I can't wait to show you the paint color I picked. It's so fun, like it's so cool. It's gonna be very neutral, calming kind of vibes I want here, you know, because it's my sanctuary, my getaway space. Something different that I've done before. Different to what I've done before. It's gonna be the new me, so get excited. Anyway guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please let me know all your thoughts and everything down below. And yeah, on that note guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also that little notification bell, just notified when I upload. I upload every Wednesday and Saturday. I know you're probably wondering like, why was there an extra video up this week, James? Well, because if you remember that week where I forgot to upload on, well I didn't forget, I just didn't have time to do one for the Saturday. Well, I had to make it up to you somehow, you know? So that's why that one went up then. Yeah. But I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.